Joe, looks like your paint job's working out pretty well here.
Yeah, I'm just finishing up, trying to end the day here. I have one coat of primer on the wall, one top coat, and I'm going to let it dry and come back tomorrow and put on the second coat.
Well, it's pretty good coverage on all of that, but you probably could finish up a little quicker if you weren't snacking so much here.
Yeah, I wasn't snacking on this. This is actually an old chip tube that I saved because I hate to clean at the end of every day, especially if you're just going to come back and paint the very next day.
Well, it takes forever, and really to clean a roller right, you've got to use that water hose and just really work on it for quite a long time.
If you don't get all the paint out, it'll paint out of the roller sleeve, it'll dry, and you might as well just throw it away.
Right.
So this is going to save me some time. You notice these tubes are almost exactly the same size as a roller sleeve.
It's like it was made for that.
Isn't that great? So I just roll off as much of the excess paint as possible, then you slide it out, pop the top back on, and that'll seal out the air. And in the morning when I come back, I can just put it back on and start rolling.
Now, I've heard of people taking rollers and putting them in the refrigerator or a freezer. I guess that would work too.
It would. In this case, since I'm going to be back here in the morning, it'll be fine just to leave it here. But if I was going to paint like another day or two, I'd probably seal it with a little plastic, put the top on, pop it in the refrigerator, stays nice and moist, and it comes out good as new. It's like you had just taken it off the roller.
Well, that saves a lot of time there.